Bitcoin Cash is as of now at the hash 20 position in the cryptographic money market. It had an ATH of $4,355.62 on Deck 2017, while the ongoing cost is just $230.74, somewhere around 94.56% from its ATH. Has the BCH token lost its appeal? Will BCH crypto recuperate from now on? Figure out replies to every one of these and other applicable questions in our Bitcoin Cash value expectation and substantially more. In light of our Bitcoin Cash cost forecast 2024, the BCH token is expected to reach $391.83 before the current year's over. The BCH crypto is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $384.02 and $586.58 individually, according to our Bitcoin Cash cost forecast 2025. According to our BCH cost expectation 2030, the coin will have a most extreme cost of $1,841.75, while the base cost might be around $1,205.75. What is Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash's introduction to the world was represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the gigantic capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, consequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 01, 2017, BCH started its life. The essential target of Bitcoin Cash BCH was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange expenses and contentions encompassing adaptability in the blockchain. Keeping in context shared exchanges as the centralized computer and security as the crucial purposes, this BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, subsequently accomplishing a dramatically fast of exchange process. Bitcoin Cash depends on cryptographic techniques that depend on zero divulgence proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any authentic information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Subsequently, security impediments are captured first. A remarkable quality of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. When BCH made its presence felt and noticeable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to subsidize English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the computerized bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. The value history of Bitcoin Cash, thinking back, has not been offering to too much. It has stayed unpredictable and firmly connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, soon after its creation, Bitcoin Cash had a worth of more than $4,000. It looks astonishing that the coin began losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astounding level radically. Since mid-2018, the BCH cost confronted slow amendment, and toward the finish of 2018, it fell beneath $100. Then at that point till 2020, Bitcoin had figured out how to enlist range-bound exchanging from $167 to $480. From that point forward, from the very start of 2021, the cost of the BCH coin has soared and reached $105.49. Afterward, it confronted a sharp fall and retested $100 once more. Since last year, Bitcoin Cash has figured out how to remain over the $96 mark, with a solid opposition of around $300 to date. In any case, the ongoing cost activity mirrors the likelihood that the BCH coin cost could recuperate soon. Bitcoin Cash dividing 2024. The block dividing occasions that happen like clockwork, or 210,000 blocks, are presently set to occur in the primary quarter of 2024 for Bitcoin Cash. The ongoing compensation for a block is 625 BCH, while the following block price will boil down to 3,125 BCH. Dealers and financial backers have their eyes on the forthcoming BCH splitting since it could essentially influence the cost of BCH. The first splitting was not productive in that frame of mind while of Bitcoin Cash cost, as it had fallen radically not long after the dividing. Be that as it may, market opinions and current cost activity appear to be bullish for BCH crypto. Being quite possibly of the most seasoned player in the digital money market and showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world specialists who solidly accept that Bitcoin Cash, upheld by a basic powerful algorithmic science and a predictable past presentation, can be wise speculation guidance, however, provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost measure. As per anticipated Bitcoin Cash cost examination, BCH cost could float lease cost around $172 toward 2024 in the couple of the following months end. As indicated by Bitcoin Cash BCH cost expectation, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. the bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH cost expectation, it can generally ultimately depend on $499.80 as greatest cost by 2024. As per the Bitcoin Cash cost forecasts, bulls might be back. The money ought to wind up around $319 toward the finish of 2024. Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to begin 2024 at $148.52 and finish the year at $262,608 as indicated by our BCH expectations. During the whole year, the normal Guaj BCH cost might be $187.97. The digital currency market is profoundly unstable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of elements like guidelines, rivalry, the development of new tech, market feelings, and so forth. There are a few expectations given by crypto brokers funds and even crypto estimating sites. Bitcoin Cash's cost today is exchanging around $230.18, with a flowing inventory of 19.5 and 23.969 BCH while composing. The market capitalization shows a strong $493,878.91. Despite the fact that the digital currency has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as gathered by specialists. Bitcoin Cash needed to put forth an enormous attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital currencies. It isn't some time before it would beat. A large portion of the contenders of BCH as well didn't hypnotize the dealers by the same token. Notwithstanding, the consistency that the Bitcoin Cash cost has attempted to show is in itself a one-of-a-kind element to discuss. Its association in different daring undertakings has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the force. BCH Value Forecast 2024. For the year 2024, the normal greatest worth is $391.83, with a base worth of $207.16 in light of our BCH cost expectation. In correlation, the typical exchanging cost is supposed to be $299.49 for Bitcoin Cash tokens. Your ongoing speculation might ascend by over 100%. The progressions in the blockchain may prompt this huge ascent in BCH cost. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2025. As per our BCH crypto cost expectation, the coin will see an ascent of around 40% in the whole year. It will exchange from the possible low of $384.02 to the greatest degree of $586.58. During the whole year, the coin will have a typical exchanging cost of $485. BCH Coin Value Expectation 2026. In light of our own examination and Bitcoin Cash cost figure, the greatest BCH cost for the year 2026 is $749.21. Simultaneously, our BCH expectations conjecture that the token might have a base cost of around $490.49 and a typical cost of $619.85. Bitcoin Cash Estimate 2027. As indicated by Bitcoin Cash expectations, the token is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $626.08 and $9.50.